Bazaar, gate number 1. This is also where the main street is, the widest, the longest street of the bazaar is, which is going to be the main street for goldsmiths. This is the street we're going to walk first to go to Eirene Tower. Now in the Grand Bazaar, the world famous Grand Bazaar, which we can describe as a prototype of a modern shopping mall of today. And right behind me you can see Şark Kahvesi, which means Oriental Cafe, which happens to be the oldest cafe of the bazaar. We are going to take this as a reference to where we're going. Where are we heading at the moment? The Byzantine Tower, today used as an art gallery, called Eirene Tower.
Located in the historical Eminönü neighborhood and built during the Middle Byzantine period, Eirene Tower was once used as a weaving workshop. The 1200-year-old tower was transformed into an art gallery later on. The historical tower was used as a dungeon, watchtower, church, and even as a treasury room during the reign of the Ottoman Empire. As the owner of the art gallery mentioned, their main vision is to combine the historical texture with traditional Turkish arts. You will encounter colorful, cultural, traditional Turkish Islamic pieces, all of them well crafted and very unique. This place is made of 3 floors, and on the top you have this beautiful view of the Golden Horn and the Bosphorus. So definitely come to this place and discover the wonderful beauties of the Eirene Tower.